Can I just say my hair looks amazing today? However, this is not a hair post, this is a scalp post. If you ever noticed that you are scratching, it's itching constantly, and then underneath your nails, there's matter after you scratched. There's a scalp issue at play. So I've been noticing that lately, especially back in here. Probably been letting too much moisture sit on my scalp. Not a big deal though, easy fix. I've got a little bit of T-Sal. I use it every now and then. I'm gonna treat it like a clarifying shampoo, but we're not gonna use it in shower. We're gonna use it outside the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that through and we're gonna apply it directly to the scalp area and massage in. Now the benefit of a shampoo like this is that it has salicylic acid in it. It is a chemical exfoliator that's gonna help out with getting excess skin cells and things up off of the scalp so you don't have matter. And it's also gonna help out with tackling things like dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, getting excess oil off the scalp. All of that is fantastic. Also, if you're prone to folliculitis, all of that can be positively impacted by the use of a product that has salicylic acid in it. But a shampoo like this can be really drying to the hair, so I don't use it as an overall shampoo. I use it as a first wash, essentially. So we're gonna place it on the scalp all over, then I'll let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. From there, I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm not taking you in there with me for that. I'm gonna apply a little bit of water, use it as a first wash, and then I'll follow up with my moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and the scalp is much better. Don't say I didn't give you any tips today that'll help change your life, because it will. All right, so I've got my whole scalp treated. From there, I'm gonna go in. We're just gonna massage that into the scalp gently with the balls of your fingers, not with your nails. If you don't trust yourself to use the balls of your fingers and not your nails, go ahead and get your little scalp massager like this here, and that way you can use that to work that into the scalp a little bit. This is gonna be great for a number of different things. Number one, blood flow. Number two, it's gonna ensure that we've got that product kind of evenly distributed across the scalp. And number three, it's gonna ensure that we don't cause any scarring and things to the scalp from the constant scratching with our nails, because hair doesn't grow well through scar tissue and we don't need alopecia or baldness due to scarring. Naturally, because this does have salicylic acid in there, I will tell you, be careful if you're taking something like Retin-A, something like that, because you gotta be very careful in terms of what you put on your skin in those instances, and you definitely wanna be careful about sun exposure in those instances too. Again, don't say I'm not putting you on free game today. I'm not even mentioning any of my other products. That way no one's like, you're always trying to sell something. If you feel that way, write a tricycle to hell, because I'm really trying to help you out. We've got that in there. We've massaged all that, baby. I don't know why, but I'm like so tempted to shave my head. Like, I really think I could rock it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some water. Now, like I said, you would typically do it in the shower, but I want you to see what I'm talking about. Like, we're gonna go in, apply your water. You don't want to rinse it all out. Like, just wet it, okay? Wet it, like so. Except in the shower, because your hair is going to be more wet. And then I want you to work it into a lather. And you're going to treat this like a clarifying shampoo, or in other words, like a first wash, okay? After you have done so, then you go in with your moisturizing shampoo, your moisturizing conditioner. Or if you're using like volumizing stuff, whatever, that's cool. But typically after you've done something that's so stripping, you want to put some hydration back. So that's why I usually recommend following up with moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, okay? So see that? Looking for the lather, all right? I don't need to show you how to shampoo and condition. Well, probably. Don't pile hair up on top of your head and do it that way. That's going to cause tangling and matting to your hair. That's really unnecessary. If you notice I'm doing straight, small sweeps or small circles, again, balls of the fingertips, not with the nails. If you can't trust yourself, again. Oh, and I must say, if you have seborrheic dermatitis, do not follow this up by putting oil on your scalp. You're gonna cause the situation to just act right back up, okay? Oil is not your scalp friend if you have seborrheic dermatitis, not at all, not in the slightest, especially them braiding gels and stuff, baby, they gonna do you in. Don't say I didn't tell you. I love you, bye.